Welcome back. Now that we have created our project, the first thing we want to do is to find the articles that could potentially be included in our systematic review or meta-analysis using keyword search. That's the most common way to start with, at least. Usually the best way to do this is to go through previously published systematic reviews in your field on a similar topic or on the exact topic that you are doing now and look at their search strategies, see what keywords they have used in including their articles. As an example, I'll use my actual project on the meta-analysis on the effect of multinationality on performance of firms, which is a meta-analysis that was done by Kirka et al. Back in 2011, published in the prestigious Academy of Management journal. And my goal is to update this study. And if I look at this paper, usually in the methodology section, they will clearly explain their inclusion exclusion criteria, the keywords they have used to search, and all of those goods. So you see here it just says the databases were used. These are our keywords and this is how we used it. Then what else they have done. So we will try to create something very much like that. But of course, it might be a combination of this and other systematic reviews, or for whatever reason you might believe that theoretically you might have to add more keywords or less to conduct your own study. Whatever the case may be, the first thing you want to do is go to our pool tab and start search. What you do here is you can just describe the topic that you're working on to an AI, and this will create search keywords for you. So in this case, I will use this explanation, a meta-analysis on the effect of multinationality on performance for firms. If I want more, I can actually copy some of the text from this core article that I'm trying to repeat the process of. And it doesn't matter the format. Think of this as an AI chatbot, because what it actually is in the back, send it to an AI. So it doesn't matter right format or whatever, AI will figure it out. And here I'm commanding it to create either 2 or 3 blocks of search keywords. Let's see the results, then I will explain the block method. So let's generate the keywords that we need. It sends this description to AI. It says we need you to create 2 blocks for us. And as you can see, it is creating 2 blocks of keywords. The block number 1 is terms that can capture multinationality or internationalization for me. So keywords such as multinationality, internationalization, or you can see all of these are related to that meaning, to the meaning of internationalization. The second one is on firm performance. So basically the block method is the core meanings that have to be present in the studies, in locating the studies you want. Each core has similarity in meanings. Like in my first core, my first block is all around multinationality, and the second one is around firm performance. You can think of it that there is an or in between all of these keywords in each block, and then there is an and in between the multiple blocks. So you want either of these keywords for block 1, either of these keywords in block 2, and then both of them present. When you click on continue to database selection, what this will do is it will create search strings for all these different platforms. So you might even have more than this, but these are a good starting point for you. Let's generate the search string, search for these platforms: Web of Science, Scopus, and ABI Inform. I already have them open here. Let's do the search. So I will just copy this search prompt, go into my Web of Science and put them in and do the search. It came up with 3,800 213 results. Similar on Scopus, I will just copy my keywords that HubMeta suggested, my Scopus. I will put it here and do the search. This time 3,374. So my next step would obviously be to download the articles from this. We need a way to download this. And I'm not gonna lie, these search platforms do not make it easy for us. Scopus is actually the best one here because all you gotta do is to go on and click on export, and you export it as RIS. You can import CSV, RIS, or BibTeX into HubMeta, but the best one is honestly RIS every time. All you gotta do is to just say which documents you want. You go from document 1 to 3,374 here. Make sure you click on abstract, whatever the platform it is. Make sure you include the abstracts in the download that you're doing, and then you export and it will download a file. In Web of Science, it's not as straightforward because you can click on export, but every time you can select 1,000 records. So I will make sure that abstract is also selected here, 1,000 records. I will export, the RIS file comes down, and then we have our RIS files ready to be put back into HubMeta. That's keyword search inside the new HubMeta.